Good evening, Patriots, and welcome to Ms. Puka's online open house forum. My name is Ms. Puka. I'll be your child's U.S. history teacher for the 2020-2021 school year. If you ever need to get in contact with me, you can always reach me by email. You can see the email address right here on the screen. The phone number that is listed is Miramar High School's phone number. Our offices are still open, but I do plan on providing parents with a Google Voice number in the near future, so stay tuned for that. I want to make this video very quick, um, just going over some important facts. Just wanted to let you guys know once again, welcome. My name is Ms. Puka. This is my 15th year working as a social studies teacher here in Broward County. I've taught most subjects, and this year I'll be teaching U.S. history in addition to AP U.S. government. The purpose of this class is to really get students acclimated with the knowledge pertaining to American history in hopes that they could take the history and make this country a better place in the near future. By understanding the events of the history is going to encourage them to make a difference in the near future. What can you do to help students be more engaged in this subject? Just have simple conversations with them. Talk to them about current events. It's an election year. We're currently in a pandemic. There's a lot of tension dealing with race relations. So there's plenty to discuss with your child in terms of what's happening today, but there's also a lot that you can discuss that has happened in the past. So I encourage you to have those conversations with them, and you'll be surprised at what they bring back to me, which really makes the subject more interesting and engaging. Grades are based on a combination of tests, quizzes, assignments, and homework. Their grade is determined by the total number of points that they earn, because each assignment has some type of point value attached to it. So what we basically do is divide the number of points that they've earned during the quarter by the amount of points that were offered to them. And it's really that simple. If they do all their work, do it in the correct format, all students should pass this course. Extra credit is available, but it's based on what I require, and I determine how often it is given. Canvas is our main platform for all students here in Broward County, and I wanted to take a moment to show you the Canvas platform. As you can see here, this is what Canvas looks like, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it, but if you go to your child's Canvas homepage, there's a list of tabs here on the left-hand side, so you can take a look at the syllabus when you're done. Modules would be the go-to spot for any of my students, because this is where I list all course content, all assignments, all videos, all documents. We will be engaged in a lot of discussions, a lot of external tools like Nearpod and Newsela. So all students are very familiar with Canvas, and I just hope and encourage you to allow them to show you how to navigate through this online platform. So in addition to locating the syllabus, modules, and assignments, you can also use Canvas to locate online textbooks. And there's actually one more site that I wanted to share with you. It's actually my YouTube channel. So I launched a YouTube channel last year. It's called U.S. History Diva, and I utilize this platform to record lectures that I would often assign as homework. Students enrolled in my class this year can also anticipate those same type of assignments. So I encourage students to subscribe, and I'm also encouraging you parents to do the same. So what are the class rules and etiquette for online learning? I expect the same behavior that I would have received in a face-to-face class in an online platform. So I expect kids to be here on time. I expect kids to follow directions, be responsible, please encourage students to be organized, be self-motivated, because this is not an easy way of learning. But if we follow these rules and we come prepared, I'm pretty sure we will have a successful school year. I also encourage students to download Teams, download Canvas on all computers as well as cell phone devices. If you have any questions at this time, I am about to appear live so that way we can have a quick discussion before you have to enter the next team link.